Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to do selective color in Snapseed. Snapseed has a powerful tool called Selective that allows you to selectively adjust colors in specific areas of your photo. So here is how you can do it. Launch Open Snapseed application to get started. Soon after you do that, tap on the plus button on the screen and go to your device's photo library and select an image you would like to edit. Once you pick a picture for yourself, tap on Use at the top right corner. After you've imported an image, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on the Tools button. Inside Tools, click on Selective. After tapping on Selective, go ahead and pick an area where you'd like to adjust the specific color within the image. After you pick a point, go ahead and swipe down from your screen and you will be able to see this kind of a control panel. Adjust the brightness by swiping towards the right hand side or left hand side to increase or decrease the brightness level. Similarly, you can also do this for contrast. Adjust the contrast level as well, and similarly, go ahead and select saturation and structure. After you increase or decrease the adjustment for the color properties, you will be able to select a specific area from an image and adjust the color properties. To adjust the area affected by the color point, use two fingers to pinch in to reduce or to pinch out to expand the red overlay that appears around the control point. So once you've achieved the desired effect, tap on the check mark at the bottom right hand corner. Export your edited photo by tapping on Export on the next page and choose the Save option in order to download the image on your device as well. So that is how you will be able to do selective color effect on Snapseed. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks.